Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's night black. Underneath here it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, macchiato beige MB text interior with a natural grain brown wood trim, panorama sunroof, third row seating package, GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set all season floor mats, fold down third row seating, premium one package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, 10.25 inch instrument cluster and a 10.25 inch media display, which is touchscreen, rear view backup camera. Also comes equipped with our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And simple as that, you're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, charging ports, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLB has 42,538 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.